Hello everyone. So in today's video I'm going to share my 1 month study update, what I have done so far, what is currently going on, and also my study sources. So let's start with my study sources. I have regular school and I am following next topper batch only for chemistry and offline coaching for mathematics and physics. So talking about school, in physics and chemistry chapter 1 is completed, and in mathematics only chapter 3 is done. About coaching, in physics chapter 1 is completed and chapter 9 is about to start. Yes, you heard it right, chapter 9. And in mathematics chapter 2 is done and chapter 3 is ongoing, and in batch chemistry chapter 1 is done and chapter 2 is ongoing. Now talking about me, in physics chapter 1 is done, chapter 2 and chapter 9 is ongoing, and in chemistry chapter 1 is done, chapter 2 is ongoing, and in mathematics chapter 2 3 completed and chapter 4 is ongoing. Also my UT exams are starting from 4th of May, so I will be posting a series related to that as well. And if you don't know who I am or my class 11th score, you can check out my introduction video on my channel. So yeah, that's all about my 1 month study update. If you want to follow my journey, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.